Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, Dynodaze proudly presents its first of the day, a black EP3 Honda Civic for a map on a K100. Here we go. Okay, so first things first, we're going to do we're going to strap it down, but we're going to do a stock power run, see where she's at now before we fit an ECU and start tuning. I believe we're going to fit a Dynodaze induction kit as well, so let's take some photos. Well, our first of the morning, Richard. We've got EP3s coming from far and wide today to join us for mapping. So how are you feeling about Monday?
How do I feel about a Monday?
Yeah.
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 A lot of messing about today.
Yeah, it's all going well though, and we've had a beautiful S15 turn up in Uncle Keith's paint shop, haven't we, for a full hit?
Yeah, that's here for a full hit this week.
Yeah, it's going to be, that is a beautiful
well, in
car.
fact, it's here for 2 weeks.
It's here for 2 weeks, there's a lot of work to be done, but that'll be a separate video, so check that out on Uncle Keith's paint shop. Remember, if you need a quote on any bodywork, whether it's your Honda Civic EP3 or your Toyota Supra, give us a shout. I'm going to go stick this big extraction fan on, mate.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. I like to look after you. Action. Hello, Richard.
Hello. Well, it's Monday after a bank holiday, so it always feels worse.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I think anyway.
But we're here, we've got plenty to do, haven't we, this week? Plenty to do, and this is the first job, and this is a black EP3 with some, as the customer explained, eBay mods. So he's bought what he thought was all right for his car, and to be fair, you know, in standard form it made 205 brake horsepower, so they had a little bit of an improvement there. But today we fitted a better induction kit, we fitted the Dynodaze induction kit, and then we've mapped it on an exchange ECU, and we finished on 224
brake. You can really see on this car, I mean, I know we always talk about exhaust flow and everything else. You know, exhaust flow does make a massive difference. A 2¼ inch exhaust on these cars is fine if you're not expecting massive power. They will flow better than the original. But obviously if you don't change the original manifold and you don't change the original cat, then the exhaust makes no difference whatsoever. This has got what it looks like to me, like I say, a Toyo Sports manifold with sports cat. So a cheap manifold with sports cat. Whilst I'm sure that's fine for legalities, again, it is a massive restriction. You can see it on the graph, the design of the manifold and the way it's designed. And
you just can't map round that flow.
You can't map round that flow. The problem we get is we come on to Vtec and we start making power, it dips and then it comes back and then it comes through, and it's just exhaust flow. It's just filling the exhaust up where it's exhaust flow. and it doesn't like it. No matter how much you work with cam timing and ignition timing, you can't get around it. It's a natural flow of the engine, and therefore you just have to map accordingly around it. I said to the customer if he wants better results, obviously he wants a 4-to-1 manifold. And then obviously like the Teguis
available on the website.
Yeah, Teguis 70mm, which is what we suggest. We sort of suggested that's what he wants to do. You know, to open up the maximum amount of power with the setup that he's then got. Obviously, he can start going on to inlet manifolds, but again, he needs to deal with the exhaust.
I think he's going to do his exhaust, come back, because it's on 97 run fuel, so he's going to do his exhaust, come back on 99 run fuel, we're going to go again, and that's the beauty of being local to Dynodaze, getting the advice, and getting back here, and making progression and moving forward.
Yeah, definitely. Should we have a look at the graph?
Let's have a look at the graph. Pow! Okay, so as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves, so we've made plenty of power there in the mid-range, extend the rev limiter out, lowered the Vtec, and we finish on 224 brake horsepower, which is 195 at the wheels, ladies and gentlemen, so thank you very much. That's another one in the bag, ain't it, Rich?
I think so.
Right, we'll see him on the next one, won't we, mate?
Well, indeed.
We will indeed. Code word, eBay.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.